Right, so today we're going to install the new printer Canon G3010. It's a new seal pack. Now we open this and you make sure that all these products, manual, all these items should be there. This is the power cable, this is the USB, and you should be getting the CD as well, and you will be getting all these manual books when you buy. And as you can see here also, like, all these are still seal pack. See, so you should be getting this kind of seal. Down here also you'll be getting the silk here too, and you will be getting all this two cartridge, the ink, black, yellow, green and magenta. You should be getting all this. So let's start installing one by one. First of all, peel off all this which is intact here, all this sellotape, all this tape, just remove it. Okay, and here also you'll be getting here one. Remove this tape, then gently lift up, so you will be seeing here also one tape is there. So remove this tape as well. Gently remove this tape and remove this tape totally. So you'll be getting all this. So remove that. And that's it for removing. Now we shall start filling the black ink here, and then different colors, C, M, Y. All this ink are empty as of now, so we will be start filling this. But before that, we will start first put this cartridge, the color cartridge and the black cartridge. So this is the black cartridge. As you can see, it's indicated with a black B. Yeah, it's written B there. So that means this is for black cartridge, and this one is for color. It's written here C for color. Okay, so let me remove and show you. So this is the color cartridge. You can just take it down, and there's a seal here. So we have to remove this before we put. So this is the color, and the black one is here. So you can see it's a silk. So the black also have to be put properly, but you have to take care. This is very sensitive. So we have to remove this. First of all, the silk. You can see that the tape is removed from the cartridge. So now let's come to this cartridge here. Place where the cartridge is put. So press with your hand gently and lift up. So you can see here there is a B and C. So C means color, B means for black. So you have to place the cartridge out there. So let's take this black cartridge, which is this one, written B there. You have to place the cartridge there. So you have to slide it here slowly and gently. Before this, even this paper which is on the top have to be removed. So let me show you. Our cartridge is ready. So I will place first the color one, which is already removed. Now this side is the connector. So place your hand gently, and the other one too, which is black. So place it there. Yeah. So now both are placed correctly. So now bring down this and pressed. So now it's locked. after which you have to press down this button. Locked and yellow. So both are locked. Okay, so now let's bring down this and close it. We should bring down this. Now we will we'll give the connection. Next is we will install the software. Let's install the software. So now just give the easy setup. Select next. Start processing. So this will take some time. So just say yes. Telling us to connect with the USB, so I will take this yes. It's connected. Next, as I have connected, so now you'll feel all this color. First black, then we'll put this magenta, the yellow, and the gray. We will put on this one by one. So we'll begin with the black. So let's start. Black color. So shake well before you put the color. Make sure it is mixed well. So I'm mixing by shaking well. Okay. Once you shake, so you just open the lid gently like this, and then open this lid. Yes. Okay. And then we should fill the ink here. This way, as you can see, the color is getting inside there. As you can see. Make sure that it reaches the level, the top level. Now that you can see that the black ink is already filled, now we'll move to the C, green, magenta and yellow. So we'll fill first the green, which is here, and once again the same procedure. We will just shake well so that the ink mix itself very nicely. Okay, now we will open the lid slowly. Okay, and then we will fill it with the crayon. We are filling the crayon. Now you can see the ink is filling up. The first one. So we will continue this way. The last two also. So keep on pressing gently. Be filling this magenta. So let's gently remove the lid, and then we will shake it well. In the magenta. After this, we will put the blue crayon. So it's dripping down slowly. So we will wait till it finish. So I'll fast forward the video. We'll fill the last one, that is yellow. Y is written Y. So we'll open the lid, and now we will put the color, this color. So we will shake once again, and then we will fill. It's fully filled, all the ink. Now we will do the adjustment of the color. To adjust the color, we have to press this black. This black long time. So the color adjustment will start. So now you can hear the sound of the printer, which is adjusting the color. It's adjusting the color now. You can see. So it will take some time, so we have to wait till it finish. Now it's time to do the print test. So let's do the print test. So let's give a command. Then we will see that the print is out in the proper order. So as you can see, the print has come out successfully, black. Also we will test the color now. So let's give a command for print. And then we will see here that the color came out. Yes, it's printing now. As you can see that color is printing. Yes, now the color has come out successfully, as you can see. So I hope guys this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you. See you in the next video. Keep subscribing, share and support. Thank you.